You're the boys with aunties
Hi.
in their Patriots uniforms.
Yeah, I close my eyes.
There's Michael. Alexander.
Look at Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
I see
Say
TV.
hello.
I see TV.
Say hello.
Alexander.
Alexander.
Where's Dad?
Hey, buddy.
Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
Huh?
Here. Here, try this instead of your hand, huh? Huh?
Where's Dad?
Hey, buddy.
Looking at? No, he's looking at the TV. Huh? He
You
likes
like
the
what
TV.
my
He's watching the
camera?
football. He's watching football.
Alexander. Hey, Alexander.
Oh, there's Daddy.
Dad, you're blocking the view of the TV. That's the whole point, isn't it, Sarah? To block the view of the TV. There you go, all right. Zoom in, there's a little button on the push down where you take the picture. That feels good, huh? Do you like that? Do you like that on your teeth? Do you like that on your gums? Yes, I know, we're talking a lot. Yes.
Yay.
There he is. Hi, buddy.
Can I get you to take this because I'm just...
He's funny.
Here, you want to take that?
Yeah. Like that cool out. Yeah.
Hey, boys.
All right.
Michael.
Did it take?
Yeah, for some reason it showed Rhonda's face down in the corner.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does that. I don't know why it's doing that.
Michael.
What's the matter? What's the matter, huh? Yes, I know.
Can't get them to look.
That's all right.
Alexander.
Look at Daddy.